Fully Auto 5-Part Hematology Analyzer Installation Guide. Warm tips. 1. The analyzer must be properly earthed, otherwise personal injury and inaccurate analysis results may result. 2. The use of a plug extension may cause electromagnetic interference, which may affect the accuracy of the analyzer's results. Please avoid using a plug by placing the analyzer near a socket. If use of a plug is unavoidable, then the plug must also be properly earthed. Product installation. Find the Allen key from the accessories. Remove the 3 screws on the right-hand side at the back of the instrument. And then remove the right side face shell. Cut and remove the tie at the sampling assembly. And remove the sticker attached to the counterbox assembly. Then attach the right side of the face shell and drive in 3 screws. Open the small door on the left side of the apparatus and remove the bag in which the 2 adapter tube assemblies are packed. Place the diff labeled adapter tube assembly into the diff reagent bottle. Place the LH labeled adapter tube assembly into the LH reagent bottle. Put the reagent bottle into the apparatus and close the small door. Find the diluent transfer tube assembly and the waste transfer tube assembly from the accessories. Connect one end of the connector to the corresponding connector on the back of the instrument according to the color and label of the connector. And place the other end into the soft bucket of diluent and the waste bucket, respectively. Locate the power cable from the accessories and plug it into the analyzer. Turn on the power switch from the power socket at the back of the analyzer. The instrument starts and automatically performs a self-test. After passing the self-test, the instrument will automatically perform a blank test. Turn on the instrument and enter the login screen. Log in as administrator. Enter admin for the username and 123456 for the password to enter the main analyzer interface. If there is a problem with the instrument, there will be an alarm in the bottom right corner. Click on Reagent Management. The reagent items will appear in the interface. Click on the blank space under Replace. Wait until square root is displayed, then click on Replace to replace the reagent. After the reagent is replaced, the new opening time and expiry time will be displayed. Product Status Confirmation. Click on Main Menu, Status, Voltage, and Current in the sample analysis screen. Check whether the measured voltage is within the range. If out of range, the corresponding item is displayed in red. Click on Main Menu, Status, Temperature, and Pressure in the sample analysis screen. Check that the temperature and pressure are within the range. If out of range, the corresponding item will be displayed in red in the background. Background testing. In the sample analysis screen, select Whole Blood CBC plus diff as the mode. Press the sample button to perform the background test. Check if the test results meet the requirements.